We are on the unceded land of the Piscataway people. We are all here to acknowledge and to join in honoring that this land was held by those before us. We also honor that this land was land that was used once to enslave Black people and people from Africa. So we want to honor that this land has been a space of a lot of intense trauma and suffering, but also that we come here in community to offer healing and a space to transform those traumas into a base of love and protection and care for the peoples that are on this land, that currently live on this land, and also the people who go beyond that. We offer our stewardship of the land, of the plants, and of the space that we are holding. And so we are taking these seeds and we want to offer the seeds and set our own intention to ask before we take, and also to say that our intention is to take these seeds and to spread them amongst the community of farmers, planters, dyers in Baltimore City and beyond who want to continue to grow and perpetuate the life of this beautiful species. Thank you to the plants, thank you to everyone.
Just express my gratitude for the land and everyone that's here.
Thank you. Thank you.